On that day, McQueen and Thomas and friends were walking around looking for their friend Rebecca train. Will they find it?
Good morning, everyone! It's a perfect day for a journey!
Let's hit the road and find Rebecca.
I hope Rebecca's okay.
She was heading toward the snowy mountains yesterday.
Then that's where we'll go.
I love the smell of pine trees.
Let's keep our eyes open for her yellow paint.
Oh, it's starting to snow.
Just a little snow, no problem.
Snow is falling white and light. We keep rolling day and night.
Visibility's dropping. Stay close, everyone. Keep steady. Follow the tracks. I can't see the rails. Don't stop. We'll freeze if we do. We'll get through this together. That was close.
Let's rest here until it calms down.
Even when the snow is deep, we'll be brave and never sleep. Look, the sky's clear.
And the snow looks beautiful.
All right, team, let's roll. We're making good progress. Rebecca must be somewhere nearby.
This bridge feels slippery.
We'll go one by one, steady and slow.
Did you hear that?
That's Rebecca. She's out there.
Through the frost we hear her call. Our friend.
Thomas, I thought no one would find me.
Don't worry, Rebecca. We're here.
Let's dig her out.
Almost there.
You're free, Rebecca!
Thank you, my friends. Snow may fall and winds may blow, but friendship's fire will always glow. Through I'm so glad you came for me. Friends always look out for each other. Let's head home.